Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's my 2002 Chevy Silverado 3500 Duramax diesel. Man, I caught a great deal on this. I couldn't pass it by. Needs a little bit of work done on it, but we're gonna make it happen. As you can see, these is the minor. I say minor because it's cosmetic, which is going to be the last issue that I'm going to deal with here on this. But I've had it less than a year. I replaced the fuel brake lines, the fuel lines underneath from the tank to the front motor. Replaced all the brake lines. It sat for 7 years. Just sat. As you can see, we have some more cosmetic damage, which is considerably minor. Let's see. Let's look up under the hood real quick. Get my keys. The most awesome thing about this, the inside's fairly clean. Back as well. You had to put some jumper cables on them a couple days ago because it was cold. I gotta find something to get that off of the seat there. It's just some old white paint. Has some headrest, TV in the headrest. Also, another bonus to this, those are amplifiers. Also, we got some nice extant subs in the back here. But that's not the most important part. That's just the bonus. Most important parts are cosmetics. Oh, sorry. Most important parts are mechanical. So here's one of the major issues that I have. I wouldn't consider it major. I replaced the brake fluid reservoir. In order for me to start, I had to replace my whole fuel filter housing. But I have to prime it each time. If you listen, you can hear that there's a fuel leak up underneath. I've been myself doing some research, and I've seen I have a camera that goes behind there, and I saw that it's on the fuel line back in here. Took it to a local dealership when I first got it. No names, Snake Sweeney. But they did some other work that was necessary. Then try to say that my diesel fuel injector was bad, but it's not, because I can look back there and see where the fuel is leaking from. Let's start it up. Like I said, it has to be primed. Hope the battery's good. I didn't start it for like a week. Battery's good. I mean, it should have stayed charged because it's fairly warm today. Takes a while because of that fuel leak. It's a major leak. Third time's usually a charm for some reason. There it is. As you can see, 80,723 miles on a 2002 Duramax Chevy Silverado 3500 Crew Cab LT. So what Jake Sweeney did, they replaced my glow plug module, which needs to be replaced. The fuel leaked so bad that it was coming out underneath by the housing or the oil pan gasket. So they said I had an oil pan gasket leak. They replaced that for no reason. Still saw the leak. Turns out that it was fuel, which I found out on my own. Doing some research, I saw fuel in the raceway up underneath the motor, well, on top of the motor, coming down, leaking down, going into there by the oil filter housing. Thing runs like a champ. Once I fix that leak, and I think I'm going to do another fuel filter housing, because I had to do a modification on the new one that I replaced. Basically, I had to take the line from here going around through there, which takes a while for fuel to get through. So I'm just going to put the whole fuel filter housing back in there. Because come to find out, it was just the filter, not the housing itself that needed to be replaced at the time. Tuner on. So this is going to be my project. Let's bring them, get them together. But all that is fuel leaking from underneath. Hot oil, which the dealership claims it to be. So I need tires. No rust at all on the rockers. Not a lick of rust anywhere. You can hear the surge. That's coming from the fuel, not getting directly into the fuel. I don't know exactly what the term would be, but it's not getting a proper amount of fuel because of that leak. So that's the main thing that I'm going to repair once the weather gets back to where it needs to be and dry. I can put it in my driveway and take care of it. So until then, wish me luck. I'll keep you guys posted. That's it. One thing I had to do was I had to replace all the windows, the regulators on the inside. Yeah, it's a project. And by the time I'm done with it, it's going to be real nice. It's going to be very nice. Very nice. So stick with me through this. Stay posted. Well, I'll keep you posted. And have a good one, guys. Peace.